fanatics, we're back. And again, I've got some parts here, so I'm just going to start building stuff, which is really cool. This is going to go right like this. And then I'm going to put, alright, so one of these, like that, and one of these, and this is going to go like this. So we're building an edge where there's some poles on the building itself, and it's over there, but I'll show you in a minute when I put these on here. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so then I need to put this long one here, like this. I'll put this down for a minute. Okay, and then I need these, one of these, and one of those. This is kind of being spaced out a little bit along the way. Okay. Okay, and then I'm there. Okay, so I need okay.
Once I called you brother, once I thought the chance to make you laugh was all I ever wanted.
So this is going to go here.
Serving as your foe on his behalf is the last thing that I wanted. This was my
Oh, okay. I'm missing a step. Hang on. Okay, that makes sense. I'm going to put this here, like this. I'm like, why isn't this completing the... But I see now what I had to do there. Okay. So now I'm going to put that there. Okay, and then I need this long one here. Like that. And then this one will go right on the edge, just like that. So you can see there's going to be 4 of these connectors there. And then I'm going to do... I didn't have enough white or light gray, so I'm doing white and light gray. It's going to give the building a little bit more character. And we're going to space these out every 4 studs. So you come down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like that. Now I'm going to put the light gray on top because it will kind of sort of hide the white. Let's fix this a little bit. Make this straight. Make sure it's straight like that. And go 1, 2, 3, 4. So every 4 studs, you're going to get one of these. And that's because there are going to be windows in between those. And I'm going to edge it off with this. Go like that. And then sometimes I'll lay this flat and push down on these, and that'll kind of square them up a little bit. This one's being a little bit of a stubborn thing. See if I can fix it a little bit. That's cool. Okay. Here we go. Just like that. Bingo. Alright. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.